Hi, my name is Daniel Rodriguez Coronado, and I am going to talk about and walk you through the social networking site called Ning, which you can find at www.ning.com. As I said, Ning is a social networking type of site similar to Facebook or MySpace. With Ning, anybody can create their own social networks and bring together people with the same interests, hobbies, topics, conditions, professions, and also explore and join networks that share those affinities. Ning was created in a partnership by Mark Andreessen, who is also founder of Netscape, and Gina Bianchini. As posted in an article by the New York Times, they both started Ning asking themselves the following question: what would happen if we gave people the freedom to create their own social experiences online? And they decided also that their new site success will be measured and judged by the diversity of networks on their platform, which by December 2008 had 600,000 different social networks from any hobby or interest imaginable. Now let's see how Ning actually looks and works. Okay, the first thing you do is you go to the website www.ning.com, and you will see that the website has a very simple design, and you have the social networks that are on the spotlight right now. You can see this, you can get inside and have a look at these social networks in spite of not being a member yet. To become a member, to sign up, just click on this link and fill in the information, your email, password, and then once you do that, then you are able to sign in. I will sign in with my account. Here on the search bar, you can type any topic, any word of your interest, and most probably you will get some social networks out of that. For example, let's type tennis, and let's type it well first, and you will see that you have a lot of social networks related to tennis. Let's type another one, for example Web 2.0. You will see here that you have many communities who have that name or are related to the Web 2.0. Let's have a look, for example, at this one, Wine 2.0. It will show you this community has videos, and they have the images, the pictures of that represent the members of this social network. They have forums, blogs, and you can tell that some of them have more time than the others because they have a lot of material. Let's go back and see how it works now. If you want to create your own social network, you go to create your own social network, and it's going to ask you to give a name to that social network. For example, let's say Teachers United, and then you create a website with that same name if you want, Teachers United, and then when you click create, and it's going to check if the names that you put are available. This one, for example, is taken. Let's put Teachers United 2, Teachers United 2, and you put create. It will check again, and most probably this one is not going to be taken. Now once you see that those names are successful, then you go through the options, whether you want your uh, your social media to be public or private. You put the description, you put the keywords that you want people to type and get to your social network. Once you do this and you create your social network, you go and you actually start changing material. For example, let me show you. If you go to this link, they're going to show you all the networks that you are a member, and also the ones that you have created. Now, to go to the only the ones that you have created and to modify those and start designing them and putting features, you go here and it will give you manage premium services, which they charge you some money for that, and delete. So let's go to manage, and you will see here that there are a lot of tools that you can use to create your design. Let's get started with appearance. Here you put the design. They give you a number of templates. You can put your favorite colors, etc., etc. Also, if you go to features, here you have many things that you can just drag. If you want to add a forum to your network, just put forum, drag forum. I previously put chats, blogs, music, the RSS feature, etc., etc., and then you just click save over here. Now, this is pretty much how Ning works, and it's really it really takes time to put together your page, but it's really personalized, and it's fun to do. This was basically how Ning works. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you very much. My name is Daniel Rodriguez Coronado.